Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert an image inside a triangle shape in Google Sheets. So get started. At first open your Google Sheets document file. In this video, I will show that insert an image inside triangle shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the drawing option. Now click for image option. Now click for browse option, then find your image. Now for click and open. Then issue, then research your image. This image in triangle shape. Now click for the max image option. Now click for the shape option. Now click for triangle shape option. That's it. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then issue, insert an image inside triangle shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.